Hey guys, it's your girl Dazja Jordan. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome in general. In this tutorial, I want to show you guys this quick and easy fall makeup look using the colors orange and brown from the Huda Beauty Palette. Alright guys, so lately I've been using this moisturizer from Aveda. It's just a hydrating moisturizer. I went to the school, so you know, they gave us some products and I've just been using it ever since. I like it. Then we're going to jump in to these hydrating booster drops by e.l.f. You know, you want to throw it on your cheeks, your forehead, and then we're going to go ahead and rub it in. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be trying this, you know, putting this powder underneath your foundation that Jackie is out here suggesting for us to do to keep our foundation from moving. So I went ahead and I got this sponge from e.l.f. and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. And maybe this wasn't the right color to use because I end up looking like a ghost, but you know, it ended up being okay. You know, so you guys, I want to tell you about this Haley's foundation that I got from Target. It's cool. I really like the packaging. It squeezes out of a little tube, so it's like not messy at all, which is perfect. So you guys, this foundation is very lightweight and not too big on the color, but we'll see what it does a little later. So I'm also giving you my thoughts on this concealer. I like it. It seemed to be a very nice color, but we'll see, you know, once I take those selfies, check my makeup in a couple of other mirrors, you know, we'll see if the foundation and the concealer is worth it. But I do like how the little spout is very small, because for me, it's easier to control the concealer when the little stick or spout, whatever you want to call it, is small and easier to control. Okay y'all, so have y'all seen how crazy Ray J has been lately? Like, I was watching the Wendy Williams show and this dude was going crazy, you know. So whatever him and Princess Love is going through got this dude straight bugging. Like, it makes me wonder, like, Princess, are you okay, girl? Like, do you need our help? What's going on? Like, look y'all, just look at him in this clip. I'm gonna pray for him. I don't know what was going on, but you know, here it is.
What's that, death row?
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh gosh, here he goes. Here he goes.
There you go.
What is this?
The E25
earbuds. Okay, let's talk about the money you're making. First of all, tell your mother I said, no, I will give these to my son.
Okay.
Okay.
I got more for you. Happy holidays to everybody, too.
Well, Ray J, like, wait, did you really just give her some headphones and then try to take them back? Like, brother, what did I do that at? Like, you are something else. So if you guys haven't watched the whole episode of that, Ray J just seemed really, you know, jittery and like he just did not know what to do with himself. He almost seemed like he was drinking or something like that, and was like a little drunk or a little high. I don't know. Maybe this whole death row situation is stressing him out. I don't know. But yo, Princess Love, I got you and your family in my prayers, girl, because I don't know. But we didn't send Ray J to you like that, I don't think. Moving on. So, Drake. Like, what is you doing, boo? You went from being in love with Rihanna to texting 17-year-olds? I mean, did I get that right?
I'd say probably Khalid, which is weird because he's like just a homie of mine.
Oh, Hailey Bieber, Justin Bieber, Young Thug, Avril Lavigne, Ariana Grande, Kid Cudi, Ty Dolla $ign. Oh, Tiana Taylor. God, there's so many. But like Drake, come on. Drake is like the nicest dude I've ever spoken to. I mean, I've only like texted him, but he's so nice. Like,
okay, you guys, real quick, before I get into my opinion about all of the that's right there, I want to let you guys know that I am contouring with the NYX HD concealer in the shade Expresso. I wanted to try something a little different instead of, well, I'm still going to use the powder, but yeah, I was kind of getting sick of everything else that I was using, and I haven't tried using concealer. I've always used like foundation or something like that, so I just wanted to try something yeah, different. And I like it. You know, it's actually doing its thing. But about that little Drake situation, you know, like, what I want to know is, why are all these grown people texting this 17-year-old? I mean, like, are you guys all homies? I mean, because when I first heard about this, they tried to make it seem like it was only Drake, when she talks to a bunch of people that's also around Drake's age. You know, that there's a massive gap. So are we really blaming Drake for talking to a 17-year-old, texting, hey, what's up? You know, all that, as long as it's not on no, hey, I want to get with you type stuff. I mean, like, are we good, or are we really just kind of, you know, frowning upon this? I don't know. You guys, let me know how you feel about this in the comments down below. I mean, like, we got to talk about this. So, what I did here is I went in with that loose powder, and I put powder on all of the spots that I put my concealer in, and then I am going to go in with that what is that called, that Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Powder, and I'm just going to go over every spot that I contoured. Now, I really love this powder. It was lightweight, it was easy to use, didn't have to use much of it, you guys. I like it, and it's very inexpensive, so you can go on down to Target, Walgreens, wherever, and pick you up some of this Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition. So I am going to be using this Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Medium. I'm using it for the base on my eyes for my eyeshadow. I wanted to try to kind of find something that was lightweight, but I don't know. I really don't know what I was going for. But I saw it at TJ Maxx. It was cheap. I bought it there. That's true. Now with the sponge, we're going to go ahead and buff that concealer out. We don't want to take it beyond the eyelid, so if you can, stay right on the eyelid with it. So get a beauty blender, squeeze it, get you one that fits your eye. They make them in different sizes. Do what you got to do, but don't mess up the rest of your makeup trying to you know, use that concealer. And real quick, you guys, I be on Influencer taking surveys and stuff like that, and they did send me some EOS chapstick. It's really nice. It's apricot. I didn't know that it was a natural product, so you guys should definitely go and pick some of that up. And if you are a small influencer, definitely hop on Influencer to take some surveys and get some free products. It's nice. But you guys, I am using this palette by Huda Beauty. It is the Topaz Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I like it because it's travel size. I got it because I just moved here to Atlanta, and I've been going back and forth from here to Denver, so I just needed a palette that I could take with me on the go, and that was it. It was beautiful. But I am using this brown color, and I am just going to pop that into the outer lid as if I'm getting ready to do a smoky eye. Now, I did have to use quite a bit of this product. It was a lot of pick up and dab. I don't know if I'm the only person that has that problem, but that's the only issue with it. Then I'm going to go in with that orange color. It's like a burnt orange. Very, very pretty. I wasn't expecting that to be as pigmented as it was. So, I don't know. Maybe there was something I was doing wrong with that brown or something. But it's starting to look good. It's all coming together. So, when I went ahead and popped that in the center of my eye, right next to that brown color. And I am just stacking these colors on top of each other. I haven't done any blending yet. But now I didn't have any product on this brush, and I am going to blend both of the colors together. I want them to really melt into each other. So I'm just blending back and forth. And then I did take a little bit of the orange and just to blend it into my crease line a little bit more and to mesh well with the brown. So I did do that a little later. So now we're going to go back in with that brown color. So we really just want to intensify that outer corner. So I just went ahead and dabbed some more of that brown color on there. And then I went in with this nude color and I just went ahead and popped that in my inner lid. And then I'm going to go back in with that orange color, that burnt orange color that we were just using. And then I'm going to really just make sure that it's blending in with that nude color that I just popped onto my inner lid. So I just wanted to make sure every color, you can see every transition, you know? I mean, like, you see it, it looks good. Wow. Then we're gonna go in with that NYX eyeliner, the one that has a thin applicator. Oh my gosh, I love that one, you guys. So it legitimately takes me so long to do a freaking winged eyeliner, regular eyeliner, whatever kind of eyeliner. It just takes me so long. So I try to do it off camera, but it never works out that way. So you guys are seeing this in real time. Maybe, not even. I might have to cut it down. But now I'm going to go in with some mascara. And this one I just got from MAC. I'm not sure what it's called. But you guys, this is a TJ Maxx find right here. This rose water, okay? It's nice. Now we're going to go in with this Juvias Place, our loose powder. Nerfetiti, and of course we are going to hit that bridge of our nose, and then we're going to hit our cheekbones, and then of course we're going to follow it up with the chin and a little bit of that forehead, okay? So I don't know how you guys are feeling about this look, but I'm really feeling this look. So if I were you, I would go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and click that little bell that's next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time your girl drops a new video. I also want to thank you guys so much for supporting, for watching, for sharing, commenting. And now we're going to go in with that Laura Mercier blush and brighten. Like, y'all, that is my jam. I probably need to look into some more of her products, but I really like that blush. So now we're going to go back in with that burnt orange color, and we are going to pop that into, well, not into anything, but underneath our eye. It's gonna be like where that waterline is, not on the waterline, but under the waterline, you know, under the lash line. So I like that smoked out look. It just kind of gave a little bit more character to the eye. And then we're gonna go in with that brown color, and we are going to pop that on the outer corners of our lower lash line. And then we're gonna follow it up with some mascara on both eyes, of course. And then you guys, I have been using this NYX Lippy. I love it. It is in the shade Urban Cafe. It is the bomb. And then I love this L'Oreal lipstick. I just got it from Walgreens. It was really cute. It's a little nudie color, if that's what you want to call it. The color is shade 802. But you guys, I really like this. Right now, I don't have on any lashes or anything like that, so this look is very, you know, versatile. You feel me? But then I did see these lashes right here at TJ Maxx. What? Another TJ Maxx find. But here is the look with the lash, with the lights down low. You guys, I totally made this a 5 because I was feeling myself. But I hope you guys enjoy this look. And thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to comment and share. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.